Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this guide on getting started with the Etrade app. We'll begin by showing you how to download the application from your device's app store. Once installed, you can either create a brand new account or simply log in if you're an existing user. Remember to complete the necessary identity verification steps and link your bank account. This ensures a smooth experience for funding your investments and managing your money within the app. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate the app and fund your account. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your investments. Use the navigation bar at the bottom to explore various sections, including trading, research, and your account details. You can fund your account through an electronic funds transfer, which usually takes a few business days, or by using the convenient mobile check deposit feature directly from your phone. Ready to make your first investment? It's straightforward. Use the search bar to find the specific stock, ETF, or mutual fund you're interested in. Once you've selected an asset, you'll choose your order type, such as a market order or limit order, and specify how many shares you wish to buy. Always take a moment to carefully review all the order details, including the total estimated cost, before you submit your trade for execution. Keeping an eye on your investments is crucial. The app allows you to easily track your portfolio's performance and monitor individual holdings. Dive into the robust research tools to stay informed with the latest market news and gain valuable insights. You can also set up personalized alerts to notify you of significant price changes or breaking news related to your investments. Plus, explore the educational resources to continuously expand your investment knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.